Hi Red Class, it's Miss Valenti again. Now I hope you had a good time learning all about more and less yesterday. And did you have a go at comparing two groups of objects? Fantastic, that is great to hear. Teddy is with us again today and we are going to be looking at numbers that are bigger and numbers that are smaller again. But this time we're going to be thinking about using our number line. We're not going to be using our objects today, just our number line. Now I'm going to point you down to the table again. Now, today I am going to show you some numbers and then I want you to tell me if the number is bigger than or smaller than another. So again, we're going to be comparing numbers and talking about if they are bigger or smaller. Now I'm just getting our number line off the wall. Here we go. Now before we do this, let's just check you know all of your numbers to 10. Are you ready? 9, 10, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Great job, everybody. And here is our number line from 0 to 10. Now, what number is this, boys and girls? Number 5. Fantastic. Where is number 5 on our number line? Let's have a look. Now, when you see Miss Valenti point to number 5, I want you to shout stop. Oh, fantastic. Here is number 5. Number 5. Now, our next number we need to look at is this one. What number is that? 2. Fantastic. Now, is number 2 bigger or smaller than number 5? Is it bigger or smaller than number 5? Let's just find it on our number line. Where is number 2? Remember to say stop when I get to it. Fantastic. Let's put a dot under number 2. So here is number 5. And number 2 goes down the number line. Now remember, the smaller the number, these numbers down here are the smallest numbers. And then the higher up the number line we go, the bigger the numbers get. So, is number 2 bigger than or smaller than number 5? Fantastic. It's smaller than because we have to count backwards to get to number 2. It's going down the number line. Fantastic. 2 is smaller than 5. Now we've got number 2. Let's have another look at a different number. Oh, what number is this? Number 9. Now we had number 2 down here. Where is number 9? Let's have a look. Tell me when to stop when you see number 9. Fantastic. Here is number 9. Now, is number 9 smaller than number 2? Is it down here? No, we have to go up the number line and count on to get to number 9, which means 9 is bigger than 2. I'd much rather have 9 sweets than 2 sweets. Number 9 is bigger than number 2. Let's try another one. What number is this? 3. Now number 9 is up here. Where is number 3? Can you say stop when you see it? Fantastic. Here is number 3. Now, is number 3 bigger than 9? Do we have to go up the number line to get to number 3? Or is number 3 smaller than number 9? Do we have to go backwards on the number line? Yes, number 3 is smaller than number 9 because we've had to go down the number line. Great job. We are going to try one more just to check that you understand the difference between bigger and smaller. Let's try this big number. Let's have a look. What number is this? 10. Fantastic. Where is number 10? Can you say stop when I get to number 10? Excellent. A 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. 10. Now, is 10 bigger than number 3 or is 10 smaller than number 3? Now, remember, if it's bigger, we have to go up the number line and count on. If 10 is smaller, we would have to count backwards and go down the number line. So is number 10 bigger than number 3 or smaller than number 3? It's bigger than because we have had to count up on to get to number 10. Fantastic job, everybody. What a great start to our maths lesson today. Now, there is something new that I want you to have a go at today, boys and girls. I want you to try and find numbers that are one more than another. Now, if something is more than, that just means that it is bigger than, it's the same, it's more than, or we could use the word greater than. For example, we now know that 10 is bigger than number 3. So 10 is also more than 3 and 10 is greater than 3. We can say all 3 of those words. So that is our focus today. Bigger, more and greater than. But we are going to have a look at one more. One more than a number. Now, I'm going to turn you down onto the table again because I have got our counting bears from school. We're going to try and do this by using our objects and by using our number line. So let's turn you back onto the table. Here we go. Now we have got our bears and our number line. Now, I am going to give you a number and then we're going to see if we can work out what one more than that number is. The number we're going to start with is number 4. Here is number 4. I'm going to get 4 objects. Can you help count? 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, we've put them in a line to help us count and make sure that we are counting accurately, correctly. We have got 4 bears. Number 4 is circled. Now, to find one more than that number, we can add one more object. So I'm going to add one more. Then we need to count them again to see what one more than 4 is. Now you might already be able to do this in your head, but let's just check we are right. 1 more than 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we added 1 more to 4, so 1 more than 4 is 5. Now we can also do this on our number line, so let's move our bears back a little bit. Here is number 4. Now we just need to count on 1 more to find 1 more than 4. We are going to count on up the number line. So we are going to jump from number 4, 1 space up the number line. So 1 more than 4 is 5. Now we already know that because we used our objects, but it's always good to check using another method. 1 more than 4 is 5. Now then, what I want you to do, boys and girls, is go and grab some objects and either get a number line or ask one of your grown-ups to draw you a number line and then come back to do another activity with me. So just pause the video here and go and get your objects and your number line. Right, now I'm hoping you have all got some objects to count with and a number line that's either printed or that your grown-up has very kindly made you. Now, we're going to do this together and it's going to be a challenge for you to start with. Now, the number we're going to start with is the number 6. Number 6. Now, I want you to get 6 objects and Miss Valenti's going to do that as well. So off you go. Can you please get 6 objects? Now, have you got 6 objects, boys and girls? Fantastic. Let's just use our finger to check our objects and check we've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects. Now, we need to find one more. So what do we need to do, boys and girls? We need to add one more. So can you add one more object for me? Excellent. Now let's see how many we have got and what one more than 6 is. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we think that one more than 6 is 7. Let's just check on our number line. Here is number 6 and we need to find one more. Now to find one more, are we going to go down the number line and count backwards? No, we need to count on. We need to go up our number line and we need to jump 1 to find one more than 6 is 7. We were right, it is 7. Fantastic, boys and girls. Now that you have got your objects and your number line ready, I want you to see if you can do that with lots more numbers. You might need to ask your grown-up to give you some numbers to help work out. Now, if you need a challenge, then you can do this with numbers to 20. Now, good luck, boys and girls, and I can't wait to see lots of pictures and lots of videos, and I'm sure Teddy can't wait as well. So well done, and we will see you again next time. Bye, everybody.